Oh no, we're going to the side! Ew, you'll call poo-poo. It's like when my mom goes to the store and she puts perfume on. Albert, it's Harry Potter out here. I hated Harry Potter.
Wait, I didn't even see.
Dude, I know a lot of cool Harry Potter spells. Watch this.
Oh jeez. My car's having diarrhea.
You had a lot of grapes, man. Wait, hold on. How much fuel do you have? Like, you've been going
lot.
for a while.
I spent a lot of Robux.
Dude, go
a
to
lot
the
of
moon.
Robux.
Look how high we are.
It
Wait,
gives
seriously,
you a
how do you
lot
have
of
so much?
fuel.
No, actually, how do you have so much? I didn't know you could
It
get
gives
this
you
much.
a lot of fuel, dude.
You glitched it. No.
No, I
You
did not
glitched it. You
glitch
actually glitched
Stop.
it. You cannot go this high.
Yes, you can, and I did.
Albert, no, really, off the books. This is off the books. How did you do this? Oh. Uh-oh.
No, wait. No.
A few moments later.
Are you off the map? No, we're on the map. We're on the
No.
map.
Wait, are we on the map? I don't know. We're kind of borderline, dude.
Man, why did the
No! We're off the map.
I thought I saw that. Did you notice that while we were in the sky, the map kind of looked like a bathtub full of dry ice?
You know what? I never noticed that.
Dude, rocket fuel in the helicopter.
Ooh. There's no helicopter.
I'm behind you. Hey.
Hey, wait. I got a homeboy that can pick us up. Come on. Where is she? I know you're in the server. Feck.
Oh.
No. Oh,
Hey,
wow.
This guy.
Hey, hombre. Come on.
No.
Put the gun down, Julio. Come on.
He keeps jumping. Man, eludes.
He's too powerful.
Well, there's still no helicopters up there. What do you want to do?
Wait, I'm summoning Feck. We need you.
Oh, I just arrested somebody. That was cool.
Yeah, that's not that cool, Jake, actually.
He was
That's
trying to-
kind of what this whole game is. Thousands of people have done that already. If this is the type of content you're bringing to the table, I will just end this call.
Please,